Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our lesson today about solutions and objectives. Identify some kinds of solution. Discuss how to make a solution. The first one, we have solute and solvent. They will form a solution. We have here salt dissolves inside the water, will form salt solution. Some definitions. We will remember what do we mean by a solution. Solution is a mixture of two or more substances in a single phase. One constituent is usually regarded as the solvent. So here the particles will be the solvent and the others are the particles of solute. Solutions are homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substances. In the solution, solute is dispersed uniformly throughout the solvent. We here have the solute particles dissolved inside the solvent. Parts of solution, we have here solute oxygen and solvent nitrogen form like solution here air in balloon. So solution will be gaseous state. Another one, ammonia solute dissolves in solvent water forming ammonia water. So the solution will be in a liquid state. Ethyl alcohol solute dissolves in water as a solvent forming ethyl alcohol in a different concentrations forming liquid solution. And iodine also solute dissolves in solvent alcohol forming a tincture of iodine. We have here solid state of solute dissolves in a solvent forming seawater. So solute, the part of a solution that is being dissolved, usually the lesser amount, and solvent, the part of solutions that dissolves the solute, usually the greater amount. So solute and solvent will form what solution? Identify solute and solvent in each of the following. Let's make a checkpoint for our definitions. We have here 1 gram of sugar dissolves in 1 gram of water. So lesser amount will be the sugar solute and water is the solvent. Another one, 50 milli mixed with 20 milli of isopropyl alcohol. So isopropyl alcohol will be the solute and water will be the solvent. Another case, tincture of iodine is prepared with 1 gram of iodine and 10 milli of ethyl alcohol. So the iodine will be solute and ethyl alcohol will be solvent. Notes for us to remember. Sugar is the lesser quantity that is dissolving, therefore the solute and water is the solvent. Since both water and isopropyl are liquids, one smaller volume is the solute and water will be the solvent. Iodine is the solute and ethyl alcohol is second round. Here we have another questions to make a checkpoint, solute and solvent. We have here 10 gram of NaCl and 100 gram of water. So NaCl will be what? Will be solute and water will be the solvent. Another point, 50 milli ethanol and 10 milli of water. So in general, water is the solvent and ethanol is the solute. Okay. 2 liter oxygen and 8 liter nitrogen. The lesser amount will be solute here, oxygen, and large amount will be solvent here, nitrogen. 100 gram silver and 40 gram mercury. So the lesser in amount will be solute here, mercury, and solvent yes, mercury, and solvent will be silver. 10 milliliter and 5 gram sugar. So as general, solute will be sugar and solvent will be water. Here types of solutions, we have gas, liquid and solid. If we have gas of solute, like that we say before, dissolves in gas, the solution will be gas like air. If we have gas dissolves in a liquid, the state of solution will be liquid like oxygen in water or oxygenated water. If we have the state of solute liquid and the state of solvent liquid, the solution will be liquid like alcohol in water. Salt in water, here we have the solute solid and solvent will be liquid, forming salt solution, so the solution will be in liquid state. Hydrogen in palladium, hydrogen is a gas and solvent will be solid metal, so the state of solution will be solid. We have mercury in silver, liquid dissolves in a solid, the state of solution will be solid. If we have silver in gold, both are solid, so the state of solution. Look at the table in front of you. We have here solute in gas state and solvent also gas, forming example all are gas, so solution will be gas in gas. If we have a gas in a liquid like carbon dioxide in water, like soda water. We have another example, liquid dissolves in a liquid like acetic acid dissolves in water while forming the vinegar. Solid in liquid, we have sugar dissolves in water, solvent, forming sugary solution. Liquid in solid like silver dissolves in mercury dissolves in silver, forming dental amalgam or the that uses in case of teeth. We called water is the general solvent. If we have here some solute dissolves inside the solvent, that how solutions are. So solutions are, as we say, homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substance in a solution. Solute will disperse it uniformly throughout the solvent. How does solution form? If we have the solvent molecules attached to the surface ions, okay, each ion surrounded by solvent molecule. So there will be interaction between the molecules of solute. So ionic solid dissolving in water. We have solid solution formed. The ions are solvated or surrounded by solvent from each part. If the solvent is water, the ions are hydrated. Solvated means dissolves or hydrated in case of water, so the intermolecular force will be weak and the particles of solute will be dissolved in the solvent. So what is, if we have here, we can form hydrogen bond to itself. Like what? Between water molecules, as we taken before, there is hydrogen bond. So the hydrogen bond between the water molecules will be broken and the hydrogen bond inside the other molecules of solute like sugar here will be broken also. So the formed here hydrogen bond, one coming from here fructose and glucose, they will break the bond here inside the glucose molecule and form hydrogen bond with the water molecules. So there is an interaction of solute with the solvent which leads to stabilization of the solute in the solution. Kind of solutions. If we have here the pale color, we have diluted, we moving to the concentrated solution. So dilute small amount of solute dispersed in the solvent. And concentrated, we have here large amount of solute is dissolved in the solvent. Types of solution based on the solute concentration. We have the first one, isotonic. Isotonic means solutions are equal in their solute concentrations. We say that they are isotonic to each other. Second one, hypotonic. We have lower solute concentration to the solution. And also we have hypertonic, higher solute concentration to the solution. Thank you for your attention. Hope you enjoy our lesson today. Keep in touch and answer the questions that we have taken before, and you will be happy at the end.